The Pyle PDIW87 6.5-inch speaker system offers a seamless blend of style and functionality with its flush mount design, making it an excellent choice for custom installations in both home and professional settings. This speaker system is engineered to deliver powerful, rich sound thanks to its impressive 400-watt stereo capability, ensuring every note and beat is heard with clarity. Equipped with long-throw woofers and 1-inch titanium dome tweeters, the Pyle speakers provide a comprehensive full-range audio experience, perfect for enhancing home theater systems. The system's frequency response range from 50 Hz to 20 kilohertz ensures that it can handle a wide variety of music genres and sound effects, offering dynamic sound performance. Designed with convenience in mind, the Pyle speakers come with a cutout template, making installation quick and hassle-free for both in-wall and in-ceiling applications. The stylish white grille cover of these speakers allows them to blend effortlessly into any decor, providing high-quality sound without compromising on aesthetics.